Have you ever seen a massive skyscraper or a bridge like the Laguna Garson Bridge? And you begin to wonder, wow, who built this bridge? Or who built this massive skyscraper? Well, to answer your question, the skyscraper and the bridge were built by a team of engineers and architects. But there was someone who was the head of this project. Someone who was involved in running and coordinating the project to make sure the project was successfully built. And do you know who this person is? He is called a project manager. And the process where the project manager, the engineer, and the architect work together to make sure the project of the client is successfully completed is called construction management. So in this video, we are going to discuss construction management in details, and at the end of this video, you should fully understand construction management in projects and why it is important. If you are new to this channel, I make videos on civil engineering. So if you are interested in civil engineering videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon in order to get notified when I upload a new video. Let's begin. Let's first of all take a quick definition of construction management. Construction management is a professional service that provides the project owner with effective management of the project schedule, the project costs, the quality of the project, safety, scope, and function. Construction management works for all project delivery methods. No matter the setting, a construction manager's responsibility is to the owner of the project and to deliver a successful project. Now, to fully understand how construction managers ensure successful projects, let's put it within the context of the four various project stakeholders in the construction job title hierarchy. Number one, the owner. This is an individual or a business entity who commissions and funds a project. And the owner will come from many different industries like the real estate industry, development industry, healthcare industry, education industry, and many more. Number two, the construction manager. This is the person or team who are hired by the owner to provide oversight of the entire project delivery from planning and pre-construction through construction and turnover. Number three, the licensed architect and the engineer. These are the people or the firm hired by the owner to manage project design and technical coordination between engineering disciplines. Number four, the general contractor. This is a team hired by the owner to oversee the day-to-day construction operations and the subcontractor productivity through construction. Now you know the four various project stakeholders in the construction job title hierarchy. Let's now discuss the functions of construction management. Now, for a project to be completed successfully, the project manager should follow a series of functions. Number one, planning. A construction manager should use planning to optimize the resources used, to reduce conflicts, and to also solve problems creatively. Number two, scheduling. A construction manager should determine how much time the total project will take. He should track labor hours and how long each stage will take. Number three, organizing. A construction manager should divide the construction project into departments and he should assign specific tasks to individual team members. Number four, staffing. A construction manager should ensure that employees are assigned to departments and tasks that are best suited for them. Number five, directing. A construction manager should be able to train, support, and correct employees so that their tasks are completed entirely and correctly. Number six, controlling. A construction manager should compare active achievement to the project plan and it should make adjustments so as to meet deadlines and objectives. Number 7, which is the last one, coordinating. A construction manager should also make sure each department understands their role. That is, what kind of help they can expect from each other, and also to have clear communications about planned changes. Now you know the construction management functions. Let's quickly take a look at construction management phases. You need to know that each project has a different requirement, but in construction management, there are 5 most common phases you should take. Number 1, initiating. So, once the company wins the bid, the construction manager does a feasibility report. This document will determine whether the project can be executed within a specific amount of time and budget. Once the stakeholder in the project agreed that it is feasible, then the construction manager will write a project initiation document, which is also known as PID. The PID will outline the scope of the project, the team organization, and the team goals. Number 2, which is the second stage, planning. In this stage, the construction manager will organize the documents and the project structure. The construction manager will design different types of documents during this stage. Documents like project management plan, scope documents, work breakdown structures, and risk management plan. Number 3, which is the next step, executing. During this phase, the physical construction will begin. The construction manager will oversee the schedule to make sure that every stage is completed safely, is completed on time, and it is also completed within budget. The construction manager will also organize meetings regularly to make sure that objectives are being met and also what changes need to be made to budget and schedules. They will also communicate the progress to the clients so they can compare inputs if needed. Number 4, which is the fourth stage, monitoring. During this stage, the construction manager will spend most of the project monitoring and measuring the progress. As they monitor the progress, they will also make adjustments to timeline or objective as needed. They will monitor the quality of the work to be sure that the contractors and subcontractors are meeting expectations. Finally, the last stage, closing. The construction manager closes out the project by analyzing if the team met the initial objective and how closely they estimated the budget. They can compile a report to evaluate how well the project went and how to better estimate schedules and budgets in the future. In this last phase, they will also get feedback from the clients if they can improve other aspects like customer service or communication. So, this is construction management explained in depth. You should now understand the meaning of construction management in a project and why it is very important to have a good construction management in a project. Thank you for watching this video to the end. With that being said, this is the end of this video. You all take good care of yourself. Bye bye.